Hello, let's do a quick walkthrough. Alright, this is our new version, and let's log in and see the changes. Yeah, okay, as you can see now, we have this new dashboard with the sales and purchases, stock, reports, settings, and then the logout button. Okay, let's first go to stock. Alright, so okay, as you see in stock, we have these new buttons down here. This button is needed, so my price, barcode, download the stock from Efris, and update stock. So as you can see, we don't have any stock item. So what we are going to do, we are going to click the download the stock from Efris, download our stock from our Efris portal. Okay, alright, now stock is downloaded. You can also use the update stock button, just get a stock update without getting all the details. Okay, so now we have our stock. We can now go to the dashboard and then go to sales and purchases and see the changes. So under sales and purchases, now we have auto rows, and an active column is marked by the red color, as you can see here. Okay, also note that if I try to maybe select an item, I'll get this kind of drop down menu with the item name and the available pieces. As you can see, you say HIMA, you can see that we have 38 bags. Now if I select HIMA, you can see I'm using the enter key now to navigate, and then I can change the quantity, let's say to 3, and then enter. I can change also the rate to any desired figure. Then we have a VAT column here. People can see we have a new VAT column, and also our rows are going to be created automatically for us. Every time you add an item, the system will create for you a new row, as you can see. And to navigate, to go back, you can always use the escape button. If you want to, let's say, go back to the previous field, you can also use enter to navigate forward. Alright, so once you added all the items you want, you can still use the enter key to navigate up to the customer name column, and then you put the customer name. Let's say customer is called GSK, and the amount paid is already there for you. The VAT is there too. You can set the payment mode and then click save. Once you click save, your invoice is going to be created. So you can turn this off from settings if you don't want this pop-up to come, or if you have a thermal printer connected, you can go to settings and make it print automatically. Alright, so I'll just cancel this, but this is our tax invoice. As you can see, we have our FDN there, the verification code and customer, and all the items and the QR code. So you can print this out. In my case, the invoice is already done and I don't need to print it because I'm only doing this for testing. So that's how we make an invoice in this new system. Or we can also look at how to do B2B invoices, B2B invoices. So for this kind of invoices, we have to go to customer management first, and we add our customer. And let's say our customer is called Godfrey. So we'll add the 10, and then we select the customer type, maybe a B2C, a B2B, whatever. B2C means business to customer, B2B means business to business, B2G means business to government, and B2F is business to foreign. So if your customer is going to resell, if you are a business selling to business, please select the B2B, and then you say add customer. Once you click add customer, the system will try to load the team details for you, and it will update all the details automatically. Now our customer is there. We can now use that customer here, create an invoice for them. Alright, I assume that you guys are already used this system before, our first version, so that's why I'm not going to go through every feature. Right, for purchases, still the create purchase sheet button is down here. The same way we do sales is the same way we are going to do our purchases. We're just going to select the item we want to purchase. This is some big pens here, and the quantity we are purchasing is 100. The rate at which we are purchasing, let's say that's the rate. Then we can proceed down here and save our purchase. If at all we don't have the details of the supplier and all that. Also note that we have an FDN field here. If you have an FDN number, you can use that FDN number to get details. For instance, let's go to records and copy an FDN number here from this very invoice we have made. Alright, so let me get this reference. I put it up here and then copy this FDN number. Okay, now I want to go back to my sales and purchases and find my FDN field. So if I have an FDN number, I can just paste it here and press enter. And if that FDN number is there, the system is going to load that FDN number for us. As you can see now, that on that FDN we have the him and the furniture. You remember that's what we put. And the supplier name is going to be filled automatically for you, the FDN, the what, and the total amount. Then what you need to do, if you have the FDN and you're purchasing, you're just going to match the items. For instance, HEMA from the FDN is going to be matched maybe with the HEMA. If at all you have any other name, you can match with any other name you want, and then maybe the furniture is going to also be matched with anything according to whatever you want. You match, and then after matching, you just say save purchase, and the purchase will be saved. And that's how we can easily do purchases in our new system. We don't need to repeat the quantity, the rates, and the supplier name details. You only need to put the FDN number in the purchase field. Okay, using the purchase sheet, you put the FDN number and press enter, and once the FDN number is valid, it will load the details. Alright, let's go back to the dashboard and have a look at reports. Reports now we have sales reports, purchase reports, inventory reports, stock list, credit notes, and with head orders. Okay, for sales reports, once you click there, you can view your sales. You can have a look at how many sales you've made in the day and all that. Remember, you can always also select certain dates and date range here. For instance, you can select it from maybe 1st, maybe to 6th, and maybe say a detailed report. And once you have the reports there, the system will load the details for you. Okay. Right. So let's go back to purchases. Still the same. You can say the certain date and say you report, and the system will load your purchases for you. And then the VAT report is also there. You can set the certain date and see how much of the VAT you've incurred. Okay, as you can see, we have this one here with that amount. So Stock list is still this is going to show you the amount of stock you have and the estimated amount. No big deal there. Alright, pretty notes. This is where you view pretty notes if you have any pretty notes, and also with head orders. Okay, this part is new, and this is where you are going to view your invoices that didn't upload due to errors. For instance, you are trying to sell something and you had a low quantity in your stock, and maybe you try to sell like 10 and you had 5, so the system will generate an error and that invoice will be sent under withheld orders. As you can see, if you have any withheld orders, they will appear here, and you can also re-upload them. But all I can, let me see if I can try and do an invoice and it goes into withheld. Okay, now let me try selling something like, okay, let me try this. And maybe instead of 11 I'm going to sell maybe 13. Oh, this is already heading limit is not possible. But if at all you have anything like a challenge, if you have any error, you can always check the withheld orders to see the invoices that failed uploaded due to errors. As you can see, if I say we have the date, the seller's reference, we have the customer, we have the TIN, the amount, the VAT, and this error field will show you the error that occurred, and then you'll have a re-upload button if at all you corrected the error. Alright, so in summary, that's it. That's how you can use this new system.